Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Bhagyashree Maths Classes. Today I will be taking word problems on LCM and HCF. So now we have two word problems and these word problems are related to HCF or LCM. Now the question is that how we will know that the particular problem is related to LCM or HCF, right? For this we should know the properties of factors and multiples. So the very important property of factors and multiple that we should know to solve the word problems of LCM and HCF, that is your like the multiples of the number will always be equal to or more than the given number, right? So suppose I have the number 2, so the multiple of the numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. What I am doing here, multiplying the given number with our natural numbers like 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4 and so on, right? So you can see the multiple of the given number will be equal to or it is more than the given number, right? On the other hand, the factors, if I'm talking about the factors of any number, suppose 10, right? So the factor of the 10 will be like 1, 2, 5 and 10. The factors of the number are the numbers that will exactly divide the given number. So that is your 1, 2, 5 or 10. So we can see the factor of the given number will be equal to or less than the given number. Here the factor of 10 cannot be more than the 10, right? So the factor of any number will always be equal to or less than the given number, right? So these two properties will help us to know that the particular problem is related to HCF or LCM, right? So now move on to the questions. So in our first question, it is written that we have 3 lights and these 3 lights get on for a 1 second after 30 second, 40 second and 50 second respectively, right? What does it mean? कि we have 3 lights, 3 lights हैं, तो वो तीनों lights, suppose this is your 3 lights, ठीक है? So your first light will get on आफ्टर ईच 30 सेकेंड, राइट? हर 30 सेकेंड के बाद ये जलेगी, राइट? फर्स्ट लाइट विल गेट ऑन आफ्टर ईच 30 सेकेंड, यानी पहले 30 सेकेंड पे जली, उसके बाद हर 30 सेकेंड पे ये जलेगी. इट मीन्स 30 प्लस 30 और यू कैन डू 30 इंटू 2, राइट? सो इट विल बी 60 सेकेंड. फिर नेक्स्ट कब ये जलेगी? देन अगेन 60 प्लस 30 और यू कैन डू 30 इंटू 3, राइट? It will be 90 second. Then it will get on after 30 second. So 90 plus again 30, it will be 120 second, right? And so on. And similarly for the second light, it will get on after each 40 second. So first it gets on 40 second. Then after that it will be 40 plus 40 or you can do 40 into 2. It will be 80 second. Then next it will be 120 second, then next it will be 160 second, right? Similarly, the third light will get on after 50 second, after each 50 second. So if it is 50 second for on first time, then second time it will get on after 100 second, then next is 150 second, after that 200 second and so on, right? And it is written if last time they were on simultaneously at 4 p.m. then at what time after 4 p.m. all of them get on again simultaneously. It means अगर वो जो लास्ट एक संग ये तीनों लाइट जो जली थी वो 4 बजे जली थी. It means all these 3 lights will get on simultaneously or we can say they will get on together at 4 p.m. So you have to tell next at what time it will get on together or it will get on simultaneously, right? So now look at this question, okay? You can see these numbers. This is your first light 30 second पे जली, फिर 60, 90, 120. So all these numbers are what? These numbers are the multiples of 30, So because what we are doing, 30 into 130, 30 into 260, 30 into 390, 30 into 4 120 and so on, right? So all these numbers are the multiples of 30. Similarly, 40 second, the second light, if I am talking about second light, this is 40 second, then 80 second. So all these numbers are multiples of 40. And similarly, the third light are the multiples of 50, right? So this is a question related to multiples. Now we know that in a multiples we have a concept of least common multiple, because we cannot find our highest common multiple because we have infinite numbers of multiples, right? And second thing is that in a question they are asking that at what time they will get on again. They means all the three lights. It means they are talking about common, all the three lights, that is your common. And simultaneously at what time, we know that LCM is what? Least common multiple is the first, or we can say smallest or first common multiple out of the given multiple. तो इन मल्टीपल्स का जो फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल होगा 4 बजे के बाद, अब ये कब नेक्स्ट एक साथ जलेगी, दैट विल बी योर फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल ऑफ द गिवन मल्टीपल्स, राइट? इट मीन्स दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन of LCM, that is your least common multiple. So what we will do, we will simply find the LCM of 30, 40 and 50 seconds, right? So let us start. We can find the LCM by any of the method, that is your prime factorization method, division method. So I am finding the LCM of these three numbers by division method. So this is your 30, 40 and 50, right? So to find out the LCM by division method, we divide the numbers by smallest prime number. So I am dividing it by 2. So it will be 15. We have to write down the quotient down, and suppose if any of the number is not divisible by that prime number, then we write that number as it is, okay? So this is your 20 and it will be your 25. Then again it is divisible by 2 because 20 is here. But 15 is not divisible by 2, so we will write down as it is. This will be 10, this will be 25, as it is not divisible by 2. Then again it is divisible by 2. It is your 15, this is your 5, this is your 25. Now 15 is here, so it will go by our next smallest prime number, that is your 3. So 3 times 5 is 15, this is your 5 and 25 remain as it is. Then next is smallest prime number 5 divided by 5 is 1. It is 1. Now it is 5. Then it will go by 5 again. All the numbers have become 1. It means this is a prime factorization of numbers. So what will be the LCM of given numbers? LCM of 30, 40, 50 will be the multiplication of these prime factors. So this is your 2 into 2 into 2, that is 3 into 5 into 5. So what will be the answer? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24 and 24 into 25. So you can do it. 24 into 25, it will be 8. So this is your 600. So 600, as these are the seconds for 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds. So it means the answer will come in seconds also. So 600 seconds. Okay, so it means after 600 seconds, these three lights will get on again simultaneously. But so what will be the time? They are asking about the time. So what will be the time? पहले कितने बजे वो सन में जली थी? 4 PM पे. So now you have to add 600 in it. But first you need to change the seconds into minutes, right? So to change the seconds into minute, what will you do? As we know, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. This implies 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 minutes, right? So it means 600 seconds will be 1 upon 60 into 600, right? So now you can do it. This is your 10 minutes. It means after 10 minutes, all three lights will get on again together. Now, this is your 4 PM. So, you have to add 10 minutes in it. So, it will be 4, 10. So it means at what next time it will get on again simultaneously? So at 4:10 p.m. all three lights will get on again together, right? So in this way we will know that the particular problem is related to LCM, right? Now move on to our second question. That is your John is preparing dinner plates and he has 16 pieces of chicken and 20 rolls, right? Now if he wants to make all the plates identical without any food left over, then find the greatest number of plates John can prepare. So now what is in the question? जॉन ने एक डिनर प्लेट सेट करनी है, ठीक है? उस डिनर प्लेट्स में 16 पीसीज ऑफ आपके चिकन एंड 20 पीसीज ऑफ रोल्स है, लेकिन उस आपसे पूछा है फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ द प्लेट्स so that John can prepare so that each plate there should be a equal number of food items, right? In each plate identical means same, मतलब उसे वो सपोज जितने भी, अभी आपको नहीं पता कितने फूड आइटम्स वो प्रिपेयर करता है, सॉरी कितनी नंबर ऑफ प्लेट्स वो प्रिपेयर करता है, कि सपोज क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है, माना सपोज उसने 4 प्लेट्स करी, राइट? सो क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग हर प्लेट में ये जो 16 आपके चिकन पीसेस हैं और जो 20 रोल पीसेस हैं वो इक्वली इन अ सेंस, अगर माना इसमें 4 चिकन है तो इस प्लेट में भी 4 चिकन होने चाहिए, इन दिस प्लेट ऑल्सो देयर शुड बी 4 चिकन पीसेस एंड इन दिस प्लेट देयर शुड ऑल्सो बी 4 चिकन पीसेस, राइट? और अगर माना 20 रोल्स है सपोज, तो अगर इसमें 5 है तो इसमें भी 5 हो, इसमें भी 5 हो, इसमें भी 5 हो, दैट मीन्स आइडेंटिकल, दैट मीन्स सेम, कि नंबर ऑफ फूड आइटम्स हर प्लेट में इक्वल होने चाहिए और इतने होने चाहिए कि आपके टोटल ये कवर हो जाए. इट मीन्स योर एनी आइटम शुड नॉट बी लेफ्ट ओवर, ठीक है? कोई आइटम बचना नहीं चाहिए. सो नाउ सी हाउ वी विल नो दैट दिस इज अ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. सी, if I am dividing 16 को I have to divide into plates. 16 pieces of chicken को I have to divide into number of plates, तभी तो वो distribute हो रही है. Similarly 20 rolls को I have to divide into number of plates. So it means what I am doing, तो जो अब आपके numbers आएंगे obviously that will be less than 60, that cannot be more than 60. The number of food items of chicken pieces will be less than 60, right? Similarly the number of food items of roll, that is your roll, it will be less than 20 in each plate. So it means it is a question of factors, because in factors I have told you that the factors of the number will always be equal to or less than the given number, right? Now highest common factor, because they are asking find the greatest number of plates, maximum कितनी plates वो प्रिपेयर कर सकता है कि हर प्लेट्स में ईच नंबर ऑफ इक्वल नंबर ऑफ फूड आइटम्स हो और कोई भी आइटम लेफ्ट ओवर नहीं हो. It means it is a question directly related to your highest common factor. So what will you do? You will simply find the highest common factor of these two numbers, that is your 16 and 20, right? So now you can find the highest common factor of any of the method. I am finding here by prime factorization method, right? So what I will do, I will divide the numbers, suppose 16 and 20 individually into prime factors. 16 and 20, right? So this is your 2 times 8, then again 2 4, this is your 2 times 2, or these are the very smallest number. You can simply find the by listing method. So I am doing here by listing method. So 16, because it will take time, so you just think that how you can save your time also, right? So these two numbers are 16 and 20. So these are the smallest numbers, so we can easily find the factors. What will be the factors of 16? All those numbers that will divide 16 completely. So the 1, then 2, 3, no, then 4, then 5 is not, because 16 is not divisible by 5, right? Then 6 is not, 7 is not, 8, yes, 8 times 2 is 16, and then the next vector will be 16 itself, right? Now if I am talking about the factors of 20, then 1, this is your 2, 3 is not the factor of 20, 4, yes, because 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then 5 is again a factor of 20. 6, 7, 8, 9 are not the factors of 20. Then move on to the next number 10. And then the next number will be 20 itself. Right? Now, so what will be the highest common factors? So we will look at the factors that is common and highest among all the factors. Right? So you can see first you will identify the common factors. 1 is here, 2, then 4 is here, then no other factor is common here. It means what is the highest common factor? That is your 4, right? So the highest common factor is 4. It means that John will prepare 4 plates, right? Now how many number of items he will prepare? He will serve in each plate, as we have 16 pieces of chicken. So in each plate, how many pieces of chicken will come? You have to divide with the HCF, right? So this is your 4. It means in each plate 4 chicken piece will be there. Now if I am talking about rolls, how many rolls are there? Total 20. And in how many plates we have to distribute it? 4 plates. So it will be 5. It means in each plate there will be 4 your chicken pieces and 5 pieces of roll. So you can do it 4 in each plate. So no plate will left over with any item. The sum of these item will be the addition of these numbers, right? So in this way we find the highest common factor, and we will know that a particular problem is related to HCF or LCM, right? So thank you for watching my video. Hope you all will like my video, and please like and subscribe the channel if you have liked this video.